Welcome back for another episode of Knitting, Science, and Craft. How to knit a basic twin twist cable stitch. You must cast on in multiples of 13 stitches. You will need a cable needle. Row 1, I'm going to knit 13 stitches until I reach my center 13 stitches, and then I will work my pattern of knitting 6, purling 1, knitting 6, and then I will knit the rest of the row. Row 2, I'm going to purl 13 until I reach my center 13, and then I'm going to purl 6, knit 1, purl 6, and then purl the rest of the row. Row 3, I'm going to knit 13 until I reach the center 13, and then I will use my cable needle, slip 3 stitches onto my cable needle. I will hold my cable needle to the back of my work, and now I will knit the next 3 stitches. Then I will knit the 3 stitches off of my cable needle. Then I'm going to purl 1, and then I'm going to slip 3 stitches onto my cable needle. This time we're going to hold our cable needle to the front of our work and knit the next 3 stitches. Now I'm going to return to my cable needle and knit the 3 stitches off of my cable needle, and we will knit the rest of our row. Row 4, we're going to purl 13 until we reach our center 13, and then we will work our pattern of purling 6, knitting 1, purling 6, and then we're going to purl the rest of the row. Row 5, we're going to knit 13 until we reach our center 13, and then we're going to knit 6, purl 1, knit 6, and then we're going to knit the rest of the row. Row 6, we're going to purl 13 until we reach our center 13, and then we're going to purl 6, knit 1, purl 6, and then we're going to purl the rest of our row. Thanks for watching Knitting, Science, and Craft.